And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good morning here in the Philippines, and good afternoon in Australia, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real for life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lair business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So now we are on series 50. Imagine that. We've already reached 50 episodes of learning, sharing, and hearing real stories that change lives. So this morning, I'm so excited because we have a very special guest. She's a nurse, a wife, and a proud mom of three adult boys. So her story is one that will really inspire you, especially if you ever ask yourself, can I start something new? Can I build something beyond my 9 to 5? So stay with us, grab your coffee, kahit morning dito, afternoon sa Australia, and let's listen to how she turned her curiosity into courage and courage into action. So from Australia, let's all welcome Raquel. I will add her to stage. How are you, Raquel?
Hello, Lori. Good afternoon from my
Hi.
side of the world. Yes.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being my guest on my fifth series 50 of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. So first, can you please introduce yourself? Then I will go to my first question later.
Yes, sure. No worries. Thank you, Lori. And yes, welcome to
Welcome.
our Go Live session with Lori here. Kape kwento ng pagbabago. So, congratulations on your 50th episode.
Thank
And
you.
before we go to our chikahan, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Raquel Perez Oaks, originally from the Philippines, now living in Australia for the last 13 years. I am a mom, a wife, a mom of three adult boys, and also a nurse. Dati po akong full-time, and then aside from being a full-time nurse, meron po akong dagdag nakita. So additional work. Dati po akong cleaner and aged care worker bago ko po na tagpuan ng online business na to. Pero I'll tell the story later. So just an introduction of myself. And yeah, so I'm running my online business alongside being a part-time nurse, and I am enjoying it. So my journey is, has transformed me into a better version of myself. And here in Australia, it is 12, almost 12 o'clock, 12:10, and we are in the season of spring. So kakatapos lang po ng aming winter, and we're going on the spring season. And yes, so welcome to our Go Live session, Kaping Kwento ng Pagbabago, and learn, whoever is watching our Go Live session today, learn and be inspired with our stories. Take it away, Lori. Go back to you.
Thank you for that. But you mentioned earlier spring na ngayon, ay spring na sa inyo ngayon. Same din ba sa New Zealand na ang summer is December?
Yes,
Added
actually
knowledge.
pareho kami. Pareho kami ng New Zealand. So, ang
So
summer namin is
parehas.
December. Summer
Yes. Kaya
namin is
magandang pumunta sa New Zealand ng December. I have a friend there. Sabi niya magandang pumunta ng December kasi summer.
oo. Isa yan sa mga
Ayoko
bucket
ng
list namin
malamig.
ng husband ko. Isa yan sa mga bucket list namin ng husband ko to go.
Mm.
Siguro probably next year. Yan ang aming target destination.
Wow. Wow. Ako din soon.
Yes,
I'll go
claim
to my
it. Diba?
I'll go to my first question. How did you find this business and what made you decide to become a business owner, a digital business owner?
Okay, going to the first question, how did I find this business? Kasi, syempre, hindi naman ako tumatanda na, medyo nagkakaedad na kami ng husband ko, and uh, yeah, like what I said earlier, I had 3 jobs before when I came here in Australia as an international student. So lahat naman ng immigrant nag-start sa pagiging full-time, and aside from a full-time job, may extra pang trabaho. So, I thought working hard was the solution to having a successful life and some financial freedom, dahil marami kang sweldo eh. Yung pala, ano rin, it's just enough to pay the bills. It's just enough to send money overseas and support your loved ones overseas. So, at saka hindi kami nagkakaroon. We don't have enough time na magkita ng kami ng asawa ko kasi panggabi ako, nagna-night shift ako as a nurse, and then sa umaga naman pagkatulog ako, papasok naman siya. So we rarely see each other. And so one day we sat down, yung araw na yun, sabi namin, is this the life that we wanted? And and then I said we need to look for something that doesn't will not break our backs, or more than enough, so to speak. So yun, search ako sa Facebook, may mga nagpa-pop in na mga posts about nurses, no? And then, meron akong nakita na post sa Facebook na an online business that can support healthcare professionals. So, that's the time na nakita ko tong business na to. And, yeah, so, we inquired, we checked it out. So, I told my husband, mukhang may potential tong business na to. It's promising. Kasi all the boxes tick. It's legit. It's a registered business, it pays taxes, so ibig sabihin talagang legit siya, and it's you can do it anywhere, anytime. So, and it's also globally recognized. So, yun yung mga sa amin, perk ng aming attention dito sa business na to. And yes, we checked it out, and then so we joined in. We paid the $149, which is just a one-time fee, and forever member ka na. So isa rin yun sa mga nagustuhan namin. So you don't have to pay like a yearly fee for a membership. So it's just a one-time payment. And ito na, I'm here. I'm an online business owner, and I am enjoying every second of it. Totally. Walang halong pagmamayabang, or Lori here will also attest na she is enjoying her journey as a business owner because we have a very supportive community. Okay? Hindi lang kasi may training system in place that you can follow on your own pace, and also a very supportive community that will encourage you and also empower you to be, to push yourself harder. So that's it. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you for that, Raquel. Parang nung OFW ako, I never felt that really happy. Ngayon, is extremely happy with what I'm doing. Being
Enjoy
an
ka eh.
OFW talagang hindi kasi in Singapore it's too stressful. Lalo na I'm working in a customer service. Then when I was working in a bank, grabe, as in yung stress ko, I had anxiety, kailangan ko pang magpa-therapy, magpa
Oh, really? Okay.
magpa-therapy for how many sessions because of the mental stress. Oo, malaki nga sweldo mo pero alam mo yon yung kapalit naman nun. So I was not that really happy. Unlike ngayon na I'm a proud digital business owner, yung happiness ko talagang ramdam na ramdam ko.
Well, that's
Thank
good
you
to
for
hear.
that, Rakad. I'll go to my
Yes.
second question.
Inspirational din ang story mo,
Sorry?
Inspirational din ang story mo, Lori.
Yes, totoo. On my second question, were you skeptical, fearful, doubtful before you started? Paano mo na-overcome ito?
Oh, all of the above. Skeptical, fearful, and doubtful. So, skeptical, syempre, too good to be true ang business na to. Ang sabi ko, too good to be true because like what I said, it ticks all the boxes. It's too good to be true na maging 100% legit siya. It's a reliable business. You can work from anywhere, anytime. It's globally recognized, backed up by a reputable company. What else? You don't need to be a techie savvy para simulan ng business na to. And there's a training in place that you can follow on your own pace and also a supportive community. So it's too good to be true. So nandyan syempre yung baka scam yan. 'Di ba? Kasi ako na-scam na ako eh. Na-scam na ako a few times. So syempre medyo ano ka na, takot ka nang sumubok. Lalo na sa Facebook, ang dami niyang lalo na sa online and Facebook, maraming there are so many scammers out there that promises something, no, that will entice people to join in, pero yun pala it's a no good business. So yes, I was skeptical, I was fearful that it might not work for me. Syempre, I don't have any background experience. Business, although I was a banker before, but I don't know anything about Facebook. I am very a private person, so I don't usually put anything on Facebook aside from just sharing things. But yung personal stuff, it's just on for my own private use. And doubtful, syempre, I invested something. I need to put in time and effort on this business. So how will I do that? Although there is a training system in place, kaya lang syempre doubtful ka dahil baka hindi mo kayanin or baka hindi kayanin ng oras mo or so maraming doubts na nag-aano sa akin. So I overcome that. Firstly, I have a change of mindset. So, ang unang impediment or ang unang pipigil sa iyo is your mindset and your attitude and if you are willing. So, dun pa lang sa skeptical ka na and fearful ka na and doubtful ka na, so you are already putting a block in your future, in your growth, so to speak. So, mindset ang pinaka barrier sa akin and the willingness to learn. So, I overcame that through my coach and also through interviewing or knowing other business owners from the community and also from the support of my husband and my family. So, yan yung pinaka-ano ko, binago ko yung mindset ko. I changed my mindset and also I have opened myself to, learn and to grow on this business.
Oh, thank you for that. It's good to hear your husband is supportive kasi maraming, alam mo yon, maraming mga asawa or partner sa buhay na they don't support. They are very
Yes,
skeptical. So
totoo,
same with
totoo.
me. I was very skeptical nung una, tapos meron ding mga fears and doubts nung una. Pero ang ang basehan ko kasi at that time was yung prayers na dinadasal ko talaga at saka ng mama ko nung nasa Wales kami. Nasa Wales ako. So yun yung ang nakita ko is ito yung answered prayer ko kasi nakita ko tong business sa Wales nung nandun ako kasama mama ko. Then, nakita ko yung ad sa Facebook. So, she's totally a stranger. She's a nurse in UK, yung mentor ko. And nung nakita ko yung ads, I was able to parang, uy, parang ako yun na, tired, stuck. So, ayun. Pero yung fears and doubts nandun pa rin, especially social media. 'Di ba? Hindi naman, as you mentioned, hindi naman tayo talaga yung very private tayo, 'di ba? So
Mm.
ang hirap actually ma-expose sa social media. But through this business, we gain confidence na wala na yung fear natin because we have training and also yung legitimacy ng business. Here in the Philippines, we have DTI. So kailangan mo i-register talaga sa DTI ang business mo and you need to pay taxes sa BIR. Hindi ka makaliligtas sa pagbayad
Mhm.
ng tax. So
Totoo.
ako nagbayad na ako ng tax. Thank you for that, Raquel. So for my third question, do you think starting this business is hard? Ano yung ginawa mo to make it easy?
Nung una, siyempre, nung una medyo nangapa ako dahil sabi ko nga I don't really do social media posts. So, so from learning through our community, we were encouraged to put ourselves out there to show up regularly. So, medyo hesitant ako kasi nga dahil baka ma-overexpose ako ganyan. So slowly, I gradually step up, show up. Dati, I only do postings once a week. And then now it's a regular bit, three times a day na. And also I do go lives, no, I interview people, I speak out, do go lives on my own, and give some insights and inspiration to people out there, especially healthcare professionals, nurses like me. So what I did is just I follow our community. Meron tayong Millionaire Mastermind every twice a week, and also meron din tayong mga daily drop-ins na pwede tayong mag-take away ng mga insights and also strategies kung paano natin ipapalaguin ng ating paano natin patatakbuhin ng ating online business. So it's there. It's just you just have to be there. You just have to show up and be there for your business. Kasi ang sabi nga nila is the business will run on its, hindi siya tatakbo kung wala ka. So like any other business, traditional business or an online business, there should be a person minding it or running it. So although ang atin is we can run this business on automation. So ito yung kagandahan, we can run the business on automation. So hindi na natin siya, we don't have to be there 24/7 to mind the business. So once you have plugged in all your stuff, all those things that you need to do, like your post or your go lives, you can schedule that automatic. You don't have to be there all the time. So yes, number one is learning to our community. Yun yung parati kong nire-refer or sinasuggest whenever someone gets stuck. And also, don't be afraid to ask help for your mentors or your coaches or yung mga community natin sa dito sa online business ito. So that's it.
Thank you for that, Raquel. I remember when I was working in Singapore, every month meron kaming exams na kailangang sagutan and kailangan 100%. Every month na exams, 100%. So when I was new, when I started the business, yun ang tanong ko sa mentor ko, do I need to take exam every month? Kasi ayoko na. Ayoko na mag-exam every
Oh, wala namang exam
month.
sa atin eh. Ang sa atin lang is you
Ye
have to show up.
yes, pero, ang meron lang exam sa'tin if we are on sa milestone na magiging coach na tayo, 'di ba?
Yes, yes.
Pero since bago pa lang ako, malayo pa yon. So, and I think I don't need to get 100% dun sa exam na yon. As long as maipasa, 'di ba? So, yun lang, nakakapagod na kasing mag-exam. Ayoko na ng exam. So, on my fourth question, lots of people are asking, are we selling or bagging friends or families?
Ah, we don't sell. Uh, we can do the warm market for our family, but it depends on them if they are, willing to check out the business. So we are not selling. We are partnered with one of the reliable and trustworthy company in the world. So we partner them. We just look for the clients, and we are sort of like a digital bridge for them. They do the inventory, they do the shipping, and also, yeah, the delivery and customer service. So we just have to find the customers and we forward it to them. So we don't really sell anything, although we are partnered with the most trustworthy and reliable company in the world. And uh, we do what we do is automate marketing, online marketing. So we don't really have an inventory present in our hands. Uh, and what we do is we use social media platforms to leverage marketing. So we can always ask people through social media. We attract them through our stories, and that's the time we uh, forward it if if those people are interested to jump on to join our business, online business. That's the time we forward it to our um, corporate partners, which they handle the inventory, the customer service, and the delivery. So warm market, yes, we can ask our relatives, but we don't, pilitan. Walang pilitan na sumali ka, ganyan-ganyan. It's for them to see the essence and substance of this business. So uh, it's I don't want to say any, but it's true. This business is true. It has a potential for you to be a passive income in the future. So you just have to be persistent, and you just have to show up 100%. Yun. So yun
Yes.
lang.
Thank you for that. Yun nga yung beauty ng business, 'di ba? Hindi natin kailangan magbenta-benta ng mga produkto.
Mm.
Because before when I joined networking businesses, ang dami kong kailangan mo magbenta, and also nung nag-vitamin C ako, which we lost like million. Tapos ayun, ang hirap din magbenta. Although makakabenta ka, pero ang hirap magbenta tapos biglang nawala yung business, so we lost
Mm.
money
Mm. Mm.
dun sa business na yon, and hindi siya konting money lang, it's like million, 1 million pesos
Ang laki
ang
na
nawala.
investment mo, ah.
Ayun, kaso ano na yon, past is past. So nangyari na yon, that's why very ano ko, very alam mo yon, talagang nag-ano ko, nag-research ako for this
Research,
business.
you have
And
to do the
also
research.
yung having DTI and BIR is one proof talaga na legal ang business. So walang ano doon, walang lokohan.
That's true.
So
Mm.
yes, it's legal. Ano yon? DTI is Department of Trade and Industry dito sa Philippines. So legal siya, and BIR is paying of nagko-collect ng taxes. So
Mm.
legal
Mm.
siya. Hindi ko lang alam yung taxes natin saan napupunta. Kung
Mm.
legal pa rin.
Ay, naku. Ayoko na lang magsalita. Pero dito naman we have the Australian Taxation Office. Nakikita mo naman kung saan napupunta yung tax na binabayad mo. Pero may mga,
Yeah, that's
di
good.
ba? That's a different story. Different chikahan na
But
session yan.
Yes. Sa mga viewers natin, yung mga manunood mamaya ng replay, if you can resonate with Raquel's story or my story, sa mga pagod na mag-exam every month na 100% kailangan, sa mga walang oras, sa mga asawa at sa mga anak,
Hmm.
register kayo sa website namin. You can see it on the screen. So I'll go to my fifth question. How can you be successful in this business?
How can I be successful in this business? There's a lot of things. You can be successful in this business if you change your mindset and you are willing to learn and grow from this business. You have to put in a little bit of your time and effort like any other business out there. So this is not an easy money rich get rich easy get rich scheme na akala nila porket online business is madali kang yayaman. Hindi po. Uh, there is a like what we said, a training system and also a step by step process para sundan mo and also to build up your business. So it depends on your effort. Kung masipag ka, 'di ba? Kung masipag ka na mag-post and mag-interview like we are doing right now with I am doing right now with Lori, your business will grow. And also you will grow as a person. Kasi ako I'll never I didn't realize that I can do this. You know, I am speaking in a social media platform and telling my story to the whole world and inspiring people, that this business is legit and that and this business is also uh what do you call this, parang you can rely on this as a side hustle. Okay, if you are working like before, in my story I said I was working three jobs, two jobs and one full time. Meron akong additional na trabaho when I started this business. So wala pong oras. So if you are looking for time freedom and if you are looking for some meaningful connection with your family, maybe it's time for you to start a side hustle, which is this business. And how can you be successful? Just show up regularly, show up every day, follow this the training system that we are providing. That's what I'm doing. So I'm following the training, the system that we have. We ask questions. We answer your questions. If you have any questions of clarification about this business, we will answer it. So tanong lang, walang if you wanna join, you just have to pay $149 initial payment. That is just a one-time payment, and it's like I would uh, compare it into opening like a mansion. Like if you wanna see a mansion, you have to pay a particular fee, and then you can use all of the amenities there. So it's just you are a member for life. You don't have to pay another like a yearly fee. It's just a one-time fee and you are a member for life. Or otherwise, if you are not really sure, we have a 90-day money back guarantee. So if if you say telling yourself this business is not for me, you can ask for a refund. We will refund your money. But hearing our stories, myself and Lori's story, and you will follow our business page, her business page. You can see that there's a trend that people are really jumping online to have to to have a side hustle on online business. So yun pa lang, parang sign na you need to find out what's in store for you on our online business. So you can be successful. You just have to show up regularly. You just have to be, you have to have a willingness to learn and willingness to grow. And you have to be yeah, a change of mindset na you can do this. You have I can do attitude all the time. So that's my suggestion.
Thank you for that, Raquel. Consistency is the key nga, 'di ba? At saka yung
Mm,
mindset talaga. We have seen a lot of successful people in the business. So sabi nga nung isa kong guest, si Lois, they have two eyes, they have two ears, they have two hands. So they were successful. Meron din ako, I also have, kasi ano siya, from Kenya. I also have two eyes, I have two ears, I have two hands. So, sabi niya, kaya ko rin maging successful kasi katulad nila, 'di ba? They just follow the
mm,
system. They
mm.
are consistent, they always plug in, they show up on their business and they treat their
Consistency.
business as business, not a hobby. So, yun, kumbaga lahat tayo dito sa community natin, we're going nowhere but going up. Lahat
Yep,
magiging
that's right.
successful as long as you have the correct mindset, the right mindset, yung
Mm.
consistency mo at saka yung wag mong wag mong isipin na tomorrow, nagtanim ka ngayon, tomorrow, bumubunga na yung mangga na
Hindi,
puno ng
hindi.
mangga, 'di ba? So, hindi siya gano'n. You need to nurture, you need to give time, you need to dedicate, give your effort. Kailangan diligan mo yung seed na
Yung
'yan, yung buto
resilience
ng mangga
mo,
na
that's right.
'yan
You planted the
para
seed, you
para
have to
maging
nurture it.
puno, 'di ba? Pero 'pag naging puno na, hindi yan agad-agad hindi mo agad makakain yung bunga, kailangan antayin mo muna siyang mamunga, mahinog yung
Pero
mangga, and then
magbubunga
puwede
siya,
mo ng
Lola,
kainin yung
magbubunga
mangga.
siya kasi meron kang ginagawa.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, whatever yung, input mo, yun din yung output. So thank you for that, Raquel. For my last question, since we don't have a lot of time na, anong masasabi mo sa mga taong gustong mag-work and, earn online pero takot pa rin sila?
Just, find out. Wala naman po mawawala. Nothing to lose, a lot to gain. That's all I always say to those people that are, just eyeing an online business as a side hustle. Find out what's in store for you on this online business. No, wala pong mawawala sa inyo. You just have to check it out, log on to my business website or log on to Lori's website, put on your name and email address, and automatically you will receive a reply from either one of us. Nothing to lose, a lot to gain, a lot of stories to hear if you are going to check out our business. So marami pong testimonials of different people, different profession, different social status, nationalities, ethnicities. We are global, so we just encourage you to check out. Wala po mawawala sa inyo kasi hindi pa naman po kayo magbabayad ng 149. If you are interested and if you wanna go ahead, you wanna pay the 149, you can do it. And then if you have paid for it and still a bit hesitant to push through, there's a 90-day money back guarantee para po sa aming business. So I just encourage you to check it out. Find out what this business can do for you and, to offload you from too much work and too much family responsibilities. So baka ito na po ang iniintay ninyo. This is the time, this is the right business that you are waiting for. O baka ito na ang blessing ni Lord sa inyo na pinagdadasal nyo na sana magkaroon ako ng additional income. Baka ito na yon.
Yes, that's true. That's inspiring. Alam mo, Raquel, ano ba yung mas nakakatakot ngayon, 'di ba? Mas nakakatakot kaya yung mawalan ka ng work, tapos wala kang other source of income. I have been
Totoo.
there. I lost my work pass in Singapore way back 2024. Pero buti na lang meron akong other source of income and buti na lang pumunta ako sa Wales at nakita ko 'tong business na 'to. So, I'm very, very happy and, I know na ito yung opportunity na talagang pinush ni Lord sa akin. That's why we're here, me and Raquel are here showing up, telling our audience, our viewers, inspiring you na and also teaching you, informing you na hindi lang trabaho yung dapat na gawin natin kasi we only kung one source of income lang, yun yung mas
Mm.
nakakatakot. We don't know what will happen tomorrow, the next day, the next month. So, syempre, di ba, mahal natin ang pamilya natin, mahal natin yung mga anak natin. So, wag lang tayong mag-rely sa isang source of income. Hindi natin kasi alam kung bukas, kinabukasan, or next month, next year, mawalan na tayo ng work or
Yung
magkasakit
mga
tayo. Pero,
just in
syempre,
case situation.
yes, hindi natin gustong mangyari 'yan, 'di ba? Pero that's the reality of life. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung puwedeng mangyari and hindi na rin tayo bumabata. Siyempre,
Totoo.
hindi na rin kaya ng katawan natin like katulad ni Raquel, she's a nurse, 'di ba? Hindi sa lahat ng oras meron tayong strength and energy para magtrabaho physically, magbuhat ng patient or what, 'di ba? So that's why we're here informing you na buksan niyo yung ano niyo, yung mindset niyo. Ay isipin niyo yung future ng family. Because this business has already proven na a lot of successful people, ordinary people, meron ding mga doktor, mga nurse, mga doctors na they are earning a lot as a doctor, pero they still do the business because of time freedom. So yun yung hindi mapapantayan na malaki yung nakukuha mong sweldo as a doctor pero wala kang oras sa family mo. So sa mga kahit malalaki na yung mga sweldo nyo, 'di ba? Hindi mo rin masasabi
Mm.
kung nandyan yung sweldo mo palagi, 'di ba? So sa mga nanonood, just do your research, just do your due diligence, and you will see that this business is a legitimate one. And marami na talagang buhay yung nabago sa business na ito. So thank you so much Raquel for your for being with us tonight and for sharing your journey. So mga kakwento, if there's one lesson from Raquel's story, marami tayong natutunan. Pero this one, fear will always be there, but it should never be the reason to stop. Because on the other side of fear is growth, freedom, and the kind of life we all dream of. So tayong lahat, we all dream of a good life na maibibigay natin sa family natin, especially sa mga anak natin. So if you're thinking about starting something new, take this as your sign. So don't wait for the perfect time because the perfect time is always now. So thank you so much, Raquel, and thank you
Thank
for
you,
spending
Lori.
your time. You're welcome. Thank you for spending your time with us this morning and afternoon in Australia, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. See you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento Kwentong Pagbabago. Tomorrow, I won't have a go live. So my next series will be on Wednesday, this coming 17th of September at 9:30 Philippine time and 6:30 p.m. Canada time. With my special guest, yes, it's still 17 September. So same day, but different timing, 9:30 p.m. PH time and 6:30 p.m. Canada time. My special guest is originally from the Philippines and now residing in Canada. So watch out for that on Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. So bring your coffee. Afternoon coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you are curious and you want to learn more about our online business, please direct message us or sign up on our website at www.loriramos.com and for Raquel, www.raquelperez.oc21.com. Thank you so much. God bless us all and good morning and good afternoon. Bye-bye.